Hey there, traders. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the Forex market and uncover what's ahead. It's November 28, 2024, and today we're breaking down the key movements from today's trading session and laying out the critical insights for tomorrow's trades. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications because you won't want to miss these updates. Let's jump right in. Let's start with what happened today. The US dollar continued to show strength after yesterday's hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve. The euro to US dollar pair slipped below the 1.0500 mark as traders digested stronger than expected US GDP data. Meanwhile, pound sterling to US dollar saw significant volatility, testing the 1.2150 support level before bouncing slightly. In the Asian session, the US dollar to Japanese yen spiked to fresh highs near 152.30, fueled by rising US Treasury yields. The Japanese yen remains under pressure as the Bank of Japan sticks to its ultra-loose policy, even as global central banks tighten further. Now, let's not forget commodities-backed currencies. The Australian dollar to US dollar pair struggled to gain traction, stuck around the 0.6400 level, despite a recovery in commodity prices. Now, let's look at what's shaping tomorrow's trading session. There are three major events to keep an eye on: US non-farm payrolls, preliminary estimate. Traders, this is the big one. The labor market has been the Fed's cornerstone for deciding monetary policy. A stronger-than-expected report could push the dollar higher, especially against the euro and yen. Eurozone inflation data. Early in the European session, we'll get a fresh read on inflation across the Eurozone. If inflation surprises to the upside, the ECB might face renewed pressure to maintain its hawkish stance, which could provide a lifeline for the euro. China's manufacturing PMI. Asian markets will be watching closely. A rebound in Chinese manufacturing could boost risk sentiment, impacting pairs like Australian dollar to US dollar and NZD/USD. Let's get technical for a minute. Here are the key levels I'm watching for tomorrow: euro to US dollar, resistance at 1.0580 and critical support at 1.0450. If we break below 1.0450, we could see a deeper correction. Pound sterling to US dollar, watch for a potential breakout above 1.2200. On the downside, 1.2100 remains a critical support zone. US dollar to Japanese yen, the pair faces resistance at 152.80, with a pullback likely toward 151.50 if there's profit-taking. Australian dollar to US dollar, keep an eye on 0.6450 for a potential upside breakout, with 0.6350 acting as strong support. Here's the plan for tomorrow. With the dollar's momentum, I'd recommend a cautious approach with tight stop losses. For euro to US dollar, look for short opportunities on rallies unless we see strong inflation data from the Eurozone. For pound sterling to US dollar, consider a range-bound strategy. The pair has been respecting technical levels, so scalping might be ideal. For US dollar to Japanese yen, watch for profit-taking. If the pair pulls back, it could be a great opportunity for buyers at lower levels. Remember, traders, tomorrow's market is heavily driven by economic data. Keep your trading plan flexible and don't chase the moves. Use proper risk management. It's not just about making profits, but protecting your capital. What's your game plan for tomorrow? Drop your strategies in the comments below. And if you found value in today's breakdown, smash that like button. I'll see you all tomorrow for another market update. Until then, trade smart and stay disciplined.